Hey Visa team, I just wanted to share with you a quick tutorial on the Zoom meetings and scheduling them. There are a lot of cool features that I noticed that I just thought I would share with everyone just to make sure we're all on the same page and just having that consistency that we talked about in that PD today. Before you set up your meetings and really do everything, I would highly recommend you click on settings and just get all of your settings the way that you want them. There are a lot of options in there that you may want to change or alter. Um, but anyways, so for this, I'm going to focus on the meeting. So we're going to click on the meetings button. And I already have mine set up. So you see I have my office hours meeting set to recurring. And one of the nice things about this is that every single time that meeting ID is going to be exactly the same for students. Same thing for my calculus meeting, right? It ends in 747, and again, the next time we have it, it ends in 747. So the students don't have to have a new code each time. They can just have that one code written down for your class. Um, Now, I did make a mistake on my time on purpose so that we could look at how we change that. Um, but first, let's look at, okay, we're going to schedule a new meeting, and you're going to name your meeting. I'm going to just leave mine as my meeting for right now. And then for the when, what I did is I scheduled mine for 5 minutes before the class started because unfortunately the Zoom duration only lets you pick 0, 15, 30 minutes, and our classes are an hour and 10 minutes this year. So I picked an hour and 15, and say it was period one starts at 9:35. So I typed in this one. You can actually type in. I typed in 9:30 a.m. and so that kind of matched up. Make sure you hit enter, otherwise it won't register like that just happened to me. So we have this, then we're going to hit recurring meeting. And don't pick daily, make sure you pick weekly. On weekly, it'll give you the option. So it'll say, hey, we want to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then you can click this date button, and we want to end December. I'm not quite sure how finals are going to work yet, but I picked December 17th. I left registration unchecked. I want the students to be able to. I don't want them to have to register every single time. I picked to have a waiting room. I left passcode off for now. That might be something you want to enable later. You can set your passcode, which is nice. So I set it to my last name, but I left it off for right now because I had that waiting room. And then I turned on my host video on, the participant video on, and then I'm allowing them to join before I join. In case they're just really that excited to get into my meeting. And I muted them when they entered. And then later on, you guys could pre-assign breakout rooms, but I left this blank because it's going to require their emails for right now. And this option I really like, I'm really interested in, is record meetings automatically in the cloud. I believe what this will let us do is just have a link that we can just send to them without having to upload it to YouTube or some other source. And so then we're going to go ahead and click save. I'm not going to save this one because I have my meetings already done. But then what I did want to show us is, okay, so oops, I made a mistake on one of my meetings. How can I change it for every single one or just one of them? So I made the mistake for my office hours meeting. I accidentally scheduled it at midnight. So I'm going to click into it and then scroll down to the bottom, and there should be an edit this meeting. And when I click that, it'll ask me, do I want to edit just this one single meeting or do I want to edit all of them? So if you just needed to make a change for your one meeting, you pick that. But otherwise, in this case, I'm going to pick all. And then you'll just go ahead and make your changes and click save. I don't think I need to walk you guys through that. So anyways, hope this helped and have a good day.